Boy, I got a cool one for you today. This brings back memories. I've owned one of these. And you don't see them hardly at all anymore. This guy found this. It was the older guy with dementia. It was kind of like a barn find, but he found it in the garage. It was covered up. He called me up. Hey, I got a short. Can you figure out where my short's at? I said, sure. So we go back and forth about pricing and how it works and everything. But I was able to find this problem, but I'm gonna reenact the problem to show you how to find the problem. All right, so there's a certain 10 amp fuse that goes in there, controls the power mirrors, the diagnostic power connector, the cigarette lighter, the stereo, everything. And these things are great because there's no computer involved on it. Back in the day, we used to do smoke tests on stuff like this. We'd just power it up, let it smoke, see where the smoke comes from, take care of the problem. But I put a 15 in there, it blew to 15, and then I immediately said, okay, I'll put a 30 amp circuit breaker fuse in there, and it held up. But I did smell an electrical smell. It took me a minute to realize what it was, but I'm gonna show you how I figured that out. The fuse box is located up in here. See if I can pinpoint the fuse in case anybody else runs into this problem. So it's fuse number 8 was the problem. I don't know if you can see that. We put the 15 in there, call for a 10. It blows the 15, but 30 amp circuit breaker fuse doesn't blow it. But I smell an electrical problem, so I checked on all the functions of the car. And I remember from other situations that I've had where most likely it's going to be a dome light, and this is a convertible, so it don't have a dome light. So I'm checking the lights and everything. I reach over here, this thing starts burning my hand, and it don't burn my hand over here. So I took a temperature gun, I hit it right there. That thing said 210 degrees. Over here it only said 90. So what I did, I snipped the ground wire, went down there and put a 10 amp in there, and it don't blow it no more. Everything works. I was able to scan it. It said number 8 cylinder. It's an old school trick. You take a test light, hit it on the put your ground on the power side. Just back probe it. That's number 8. See how it's not doing anything? See how a good one misfires? We pull this bad boy out. There's nothing. I just want to thank you for checking out this short video. I thought it was pretty cool. I thought it was video worthy. I don't recommend doing the smoke test and going higher on the amperes on the newer cars, but you can get away with it if it's not computerized. If you like today's video, please like and subscribe. Put some comments in the comment section. Tell me different ways you would have tested that. It's cool. Thank you. Have a blessed day.